Hello guys, welcome to Full Opportunities YouTube channel. On this channel, you will find informational videos about fellowships, internships, scholarships and much more. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe this channel and don't forget to like if you really like this video in the end. So, today we are going to discuss about Biology Undergraduate Summer Program in Switzerland, which is 9-week summer program. So the link of this post you will find in the description of this video. You can just hit. You can also get this link by visiting fullopportunities.com and just go to the search section and search this Biology Undergraduate Summer. After clicking this post, you will find the whole detail which include about summer school in Switzerland, the brief section, benefit of this program, program duration, criteria, document, deadline and application process. The whole information I shared in easy way, so you can just read, and if these criteria match your profile, then simply apply. In the About Summer program, you will find the just short info of this program. You can read here. In brief description, I just highlighted some short point which include location. The program is going to held in Switzerland. Host of organization University of Zurich. Duration 9 weeks. Program for undergraduate whose fields are biology related. Opportunity, this is a fully funded opportunity, 100% fully funded. Deadline for this opportunity is 15 February 2020. You can join our WhatsApp and Telegram group. The link is given here in the post. You may also install our Android application for latest update. So these are the benefit of this program. You will find here in the benefits section. You will receive complete travel cost, local travel accommodation and monthly stipend. Program duration, the starting dates of program and the final date of program. The deadline is 15 February. This is the deadline. This date is the final date of this program. This means the program will start from 1st July to 31 August. The criteria of this program is this. You can read. The opportunity is for both national and international students. Your field must be related to life science and you are good at English. Okay. The required documents are CV, complete application form, recommendation letter, your academic transcript. Once again, the highlighted deadline is here. You may apply for a scholarship in Australia. So, how to apply for this program? There is complete online application form for this program. Just click here, application form. A new tab, you will find the login form. If you are new, just switch to register and fill the whole information. First, you have to register yourself. After this, you fill complete application form and just submit it. You may visit the complete information for this program on official site, because on official site you will find whole information. If you really want to apply, then just simply apply. We are always here for your help. If you have any query, question you may ask on our chat box, which is here live chat option. You can also reach to our email, which is given in the description section of this video, and you can also follow us on other platforms like WhatsApp and Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Okay, thank you guys.